Before we met, you're winsome and you're young, at least that's what they said. Underneath your glitter and your gold, you can't deny the fact that you are growing old. You have 1,000 eyes that never...
I wonder if you miss me. It's been a long year. Winter has snowed, summer has shown, but I ain't forgotten the sweet taste of chocolate I taste on your lips when we had our last kiss. So here's my love letter, entrusted to the weather. I ride across the waves and flew through the clouds. And when it's delivered, do what you want with it. You can send it back or keep it around.
Maybe I'm wrong, maybe it's been too long, but I heard from someone that you're back in town. And if it's not too late, I can bring chocolate. And maybe if you want them, some roses too. 'Cause it's been a long year, but maybe you missed me. I think you might remember the words of that tune.
So here's my love letter, entrusted to the weather. I ride across the waves and float through the clouds. And when it's delivered, do what you want with it. You can send it back or keep it around. I never stopped dreaming about the sound of that song playing in the background when the last night was finally spent. I was left with the memory of that chocolate scent. Ooh, the chocolate scent. You're the leaves in mid.
Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon
closing your eyes, I will be beside you. And my heart will glide across the miles to fly right to you. 'Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I start a brand new day around the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. So today I am time traveling.
Really?
It's yummy. Oh, right, it's yummy.
You want some more?
Start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am tired.
Thank you.
Wow, it says I love you.
Do you like it?
Yeah?
What are we gonna name that one?
I'm gonna name her White Teddy Girl.
Hello, white teddy girl.
Yeah.
This is Sabi, white teddy girl.
Yep, ang sarap, sarap, sarap.
Sarap ano? What's his name? This one?
Jeff, and this one's banana.
Oh, why banana?
I don't know, it's because he has a banana hat.
Oh. So nice, na. I have a mustache.
Huh? Wait, I want to see the video.
What? I have chocolate mustache.
Time that you are closing your eyes, I will be beside you. And my
Dear Mom and Dad, I love you. Love Tati. I love you so anakku.
Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I start a brand new day around the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. So today I am time traveling. rising, I'll start a brand new day. When the moon is shining, I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling.